Good morning, all of you. Ashok Kumar Mishra. Continue with the fourth chapter of the class 3, Understanding the Windows 10. Last class, I have discussed the operating system, features of the Windows, and Windows taskbar, moving a taskbar, locking a taskbar, and opening a program, searching the icons, and sorting the icons, changing the desktop background, changing the screensavers, and mouse pointer shapes, and shut down your computer. Now, recapping of this chapter, Windows is an operating system that controls and manages the function of computer, and the small levels pictures on the desktop are called icons. मतलब कंप्यूटर विंडोज क्या है? विंडोज एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है और इसी के हाथ में कंट्रोल और मैनेज करना होता है पूरे फंक्शन का कंप्यूटर के पास. दूसरा है कि स्मॉल पिक्चर जो डेस्कटॉप पर आपको दिखता है उसे आइकॉन कहते हैं. स्टार्ट बटन का इस्तेमाल करने में होता है परफॉर्म द कॉमन टास्क सच एज द स्टार्टिंग ए प्रोग्राम, सर्चिंग फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर्स एंड मच मोर. नोटिफिकेशन एरिया जो है वो प्रेजेंट होता है ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ द टास्क बार. इसके अंदर होता है क्लॉक एंड ग्रुप ऑफ आइकॉन्स, एंड डबल क्लिकिंग ऑन द लेफ्ट माउस बटन ऑन द आइकॉन्स ओपन द सेलेक्टेड आइटम्स. एंड स्क्रीन सेवर इज एन इमेज. स्क्रीन सेवर एक इमेज होता है जो पॉपअप्स ऑन स्क्रीन वेन एवर ए कंप्यूटर रिमेन आइडल फॉर अ शॉर्ट टाइम. कुछ देर के लिए यदि छोड़ देते हैं तो उसके ऊपर स्क्रीन सेवर चलना शुरू हो जाता है. अब फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. फर्स्ट, द डेस्कटॉप इज द फर्स्ट स्क्रीन ऑफ विंडोज विच अपीयर्स व्हेन द कंप्यूटर इज स्विच ऑन. सेकेंड, Windows store applications, programs, paid and free games and app and songs. Third, the taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop, and the right side of the taskbar contains the notification area, and the taskbar button provides the ability to open the multiple desktop at the same time. And the advanced search tools of the Windows 10 is called Cortana. These are the fill in the blanks. Now, true false. Clock is a present on the left side of the taskbar. False. Start button is found on the left side of the taskbar. True. When a program is active, the icon is highlighted in the brighter shade. False. Pick button is present on the left side of the taskbar. False. To change the desktop background, right click on the blank area of the desktop is true. Now MCQ. Which programs manage all the jobs of the computer, that is operating system? To arrange the icon on the desktop, right click on the blank area and press Ctrl Windows key plus D combination to minimize all the open windows, and to open the start button press Windows key. These are the MCQ. And now name the mouse pointer which perform the double action. For pointing and selecting the dragging item is normal, and normal. The pointing and selecting the dragging item is normal. For resizing the picture is double-headed area, and it indicates you have to wait because the computer is busy icons. And for moving the picture and toolbar, four-headed arrow. These are the name and mouse pointer which perform the following actions, and in one words answer. Name the term used for processing of loading the operating system is booting. Name the box that display the preview of the screen is preview. Name the option that display all the apps and programs in the computer, Cortana. And Windows logo key, which shortcut key combination is activate the task view, Windows plus log key plus tab. These are the objective questions of the chapter 4. Next class I will continue with the questions of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.